Hi, it's Gina from WTI. If you hate cleaning cars as much as I do, then you're probably looking for products that make it a lot easier to do. This leather cleaner and conditioner from the chemical guys has really made it a breeze to clean my car. We recently purchased a car that had been owned by a smoker, so there was smoke stains on the seats, and they'd had a dog, and there was dirt and grime all over the leather. So first I sprayed it with the leather cleaner onto a microfiber cloth. The leather cleaner got rid of the really bad stains and it just made it look so fresh and sparkly inside. I hate cleaning with things that have a really strong scent, and this cleaner has no scent and doesn't leave any kind of residual on the leather. And for this small bottle, it'll probably last me at least 3 to 4 times to clean my entire car. Now the conditioner does have a very slight clean scent to it, but it's not strong or overpowering. Has a very creamy texture and it goes on very smooth. It has UV protection, so I know it's going to keep my leather seats from cracking and keep them all nice and shiny and clean looking. I just love the way that it's brought the leather in my car back to life. I definitely recommend it if you're wanting to do your own detailing on your car, and that's my point of view.